Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the BGH96 Bosch gas furnace. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an FL error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving an FL error code, the flame sensor may be coated or oxidized, incorrectly positioned in the burner flame, or there may be a lazy burner due to improper gas pressure or combustion air. To troubleshoot this error code, you will need a manometer, multimeter, and test leads. To begin troubleshooting, check if the manifold gas pressure requirements are being met. If it isn't, check if the inlet gas pressure requirement is being met. If that isn't being met, adjust the inlet gas pressure. However, if it is being met, adjust the gas valve to ensure the manifold gas pressure meets the required values. Replace the gas valve if the pressure cannot be adjusted. If the manifold gas pressure is meeting the requirement, check if the flame sensor is dirty or broken, and if it is, clean with a dollar bill or replace the flame sensor. If your flame sensor looked okay, then see if the PCB board is grounded properly. You can do this by checking the green wire. If the furnace is properly grounded, then check if the orifices are blocked or clogged by visually assessing that the flame is reaching the flame sensor. If it isn't, remove the blockage. If it is, check the flame sensor by placing your leads in series with the sensor and wire terminal. Make sure you are reading 1 to 6 microamps. If not, replace the sensor. If you are reading 1 to 6 microamps, replace the PCB board. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.